In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you use Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, or Outlook on the web, the process is very similar, and by the end, you'll be comfortable setting reminders for both calendar events and email follow-ups. Start by opening Outlook in whichever version you have. We'll begin with calendar events. Go to your calendar by selecting the calendar icon in the navigation pane. That icon is typically on the left side of the app and looks like a small calendar. To create an event, either double-click the time slot you want or choose New Appointment or New Event, depending on what your screen shows. An event window opens where you can add your title, location, and other details. In that same window, look for the Reminder drop-down menu. It's usually near the start time or in the event details. Choose how long before the event you want Outlook to alert you. Common choices are 5 or 15 minutes for quick nudges, or 1 day for something you need to prepare for in advance. Once you've set your preferred reminder, click Save and Close. That's it! Your event is scheduled and Outlook will alert you at the time you selected. Now let's set a reminder for an email you want to follow up on. In your inbox or sent items, select the email you want to track. This is handy when you are waiting on a reply or need to circle back later. On the Home tab, or by right-clicking the email, look for Follow-up or Flag. Choose Add Reminder to open the dialog box. Here, pick the date and time that fits your follow-up plan, and add a short custom message so you remember exactly what you intended to do when the reminder pops up. When you are done, the email will be flagged and Outlook will remind you at the time you selected, helping you keep your follow-ups on schedule. A few quick tips as you work through this. Use shorter reminder lead times for meetings that are nearby and longer lead times if you need preparation or travel time. Keep your custom message clear and action-focused, like call to confirm details, so you know what to do instantly when the reminder fires. And remember, labels may vary slightly between Classic Outlook, the new Outlook, and Outlook on the web, but the flow select, set the reminder, and save stays consistent. That's all you need to. Thanks for watching.